Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. Today I'm going to share with you a homemaker's best friend. I'm going to cut right to the chase and let you know what it is. Yes, it's a timer. You don't have to have a fancy one like this one. You could use the one on your phone or on the microwave. Any timer will do. Why is the timer a homemaker's best friend? Well, that is what I am going to reveal to you in today's video. How many times have you had to clean at the end of a long day and thought, I simply cannot do this. I literally cannot tidy anything up right now. I am so tired. Or you might not even be tired. You might actually have a lot of energy, but you'd rather spend it doing something, anything else. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, be sure to watch my video, The Number One Enemy to Homemakers. Well, we often talk ourselves into a frenzy about the chores that we have to do. Can you relate? We build it up in our minds as this horrible, dreaded task that is going to take forever. When in reality, the chore at hand doesn't actually take that long to do. I love to time myself for 15 minutes. Although I have been known to do 5 minutes and even power hours, but 15 minutes is usually the time frame I work with the most. You would be amazed to know what you can accomplish in 15 minutes. Most of the time, I set the timer for 15 minutes to clean the kitchen, and I'm done within 8 minutes. Then I just use the rest of the time to tidy something else, or I sit down and enjoy a break. The power of the timer is in your perception. Usually when you don't feel like cleaning, you can convince yourself to at least devote 15 minutes to the task at hand. Tell yourself that when the timer goes off, you will stop no matter what. During those 15 minutes, you can listen to a podcast, or have a YouTube video on in the background, or listen to beautiful music. I guarantee those 15 minutes will fly. This is mint for my garden, by the way. Doesn't it make a beautiful bouquet? Sometimes, at the end of the 15 minutes, something curious happens. I have regained my motivation for cleaning, and I actually want to continue. That has happened to me more times than I can count. Use the timer technique on any task and in any room. Every family member, including the children, can also benefit from using the timer. So yes, the timer is the homemaker's best friend. Use it every day as a motivational tool. Now, don't forget, when the timer goes off, usually a treat is in order. My friend Antoinette sent me chocolates for my birthday, so I am going to be having half. I hope you enjoyed today's video and my Homemaker series here on the Daily Connoisseur. I'll see you next time. Bye!